Cracking your knuckles, annoying habit or health hazard? Let's get to the truth. Many believe that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis, but scientific studies say otherwise. The popping sound doesn't come from bones grinding together. Instead, it's the sound of gas bubbles forming and collapsing in the fluid that lubricates your joints. It's completely harmless. Still, cracking knuckles can irritate others, so maybe avoid it in a quiet room. But rest assured, it won't harm your joints. Subscribe to Testimonials Truth for more myth-busting facts. Let's crack the truth together, literally.